As I approached toward him, I could see the male victim laying on the ground to my left, as well as the female victim on the ground to my right.
Let's start off with the Murdaugh murder trial. For the first time today, witnesses taking the stand, and each of them giving a better picture of what first responders saw and what they heard the night that Alec Murdaugh's wife, Maggie, and his son, Paul, were both shot and killed at their Colleton County property. And as Brooke Butler reports, Murdaugh became emotional several times today.
During the second official day of the Murdaugh murder trial, Alec Murdaugh almost came close to sobbing. It happened as 911 calls and body camera video were played for the jury, but two witnesses told that jury that the night of the murders, they didn't see a single tear from Murdaugh.
Did you ever see any tears in your interactions with Mr. Murdaugh?
He did not appear to be crying. He was upset, but I did not see any visible tears.
Sergeant Daniel Green with the Colleton County Sheriff's Office was the first law enforcement officer on scene the night Maggie and Paul Murdaugh were shot and killed. He was also the state's first witness in the Murdaugh murder trial. Green testified Thursday some of the first words out of Alec Murdaugh's mouth when he spoke with him that night had to do with a boat crash his son Paul was involved in. Body camera video that was played for the jury supports that testimony.
This is a long story. My son was in a boat wreck a few months back. He's been getting threats.
In Sergeant Green's body camera video, you can also hear Murdaugh claiming where he was when Maggie and Paul were killed at their dog kennels.
I left. I was probably gone an hour and a half from my mom's, and I saw them about 45 minutes before that.
In his cross-examination Thursday, Murdaugh's defense attorney Dick Harpootlian took aim at the witnesses' credibility. Several of the state's witnesses noted seeing several fresh tire marks at the scene, but Harpootlian claims those marks were never preserved.
So if somebody had come in and left who committed the murders, whatever tire tracks that were left were obliterated by your men. Is that right?
It's possible.
He also accused the witnesses of possibly contaminating evidence at the scene.
If there were bloody footprints in the feed room, could they have been created by you or your men?
They could have been created by anyone walking in that area, sure.
As attorneys went back and forth on Thursday, debating and detailing the murder scene, several of the jurors did look visibly disturbed. In fact, one juror in particular kept looking down at their feet, almost trying to look away from that body camera video. Definitely some heavy footage that they had to consume in the courtroom behind me. Reporting in Colleton County, I'm Brooke Butler, WJCL 22 News.